What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be eating the BUC-EES chips. I'm just gonna go ahead and try them. Hopefully, maybe he'll even come to my house. Maybe I'll turn into him. I don't know. Down the hatch. I think I gotta eat 6. 2, 3. 4, 5. 6. Oh. Oh. That's horrible. Okay. Look, I turned in a buck. When will you learn? Yes. When will you learn? When will you learn, Blake? When? I told you not to come to BUC-EES. And you did. And you ate my chips. And now you face the consequences. Oh, that was insane, guys. Okay, guys, so probably tomorrow or later, the Mountain Dew potion, maybe. I don't know. Goodbye, guys.